It's Brian from Mr. Ding and Dent in Kenosha, Wisconsin. This morning I'm working on a 2001 black Mercedes. It's never been polished, so I'm going to perform some paint correction on it. Let's go check out the before and after. On this vehicle, it is a 16-year-old Mercedes CL500. The customer wants the exterior done, so it's going to be a 5-step exterior. According to the owner, he said it's never been polished before.
All these swirl marks here, all the scratching, it's basically how the entire vehicle is. So I'm not going to take a video of the entire vehicle.
If you have any questions on any of the services listed, just give me a call. 262-359-1830.